Money mistakes are not always big, obvious errors. Sometimes, they're small habits that quietly drain your bank account without you noticing. In 2025, these mistakes are getting harder to spot because technology, social media, and new spending trends are changing how we handle money. Imagine this: you wake up one morning, check your bank app, and realize most of your paycheck is gone. No big purchases, no vacations, just small expenses that added up fast. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. This video is not about boring budgeting tips or skipping lattes. Instead, we'll explore hidden money traps that people often overlook, like trusting AI shopping recommendations and paying sneaky fees. By the end of this video, you'll know how to avoid these mistakes, protect your hard-earned cash, and make smarter financial choices. Ready to take control of your money? Let's dive in. Number 1. The invisible spending spiral. Have you ever bought something online, only to see ads for similar products everywhere you go? It's not a coincidence, it's a strategy. In 2025, shopping websites use smart algorithms to track what you like, then raise prices based on your habits. This is called dynamic pricing, and it's costing people more money, without them even realizing it. For example, studies show that iPhone users often see higher prices than Android users for the same products because companies assume iPhone owners can afford to spend more. Worse, these prices can change daily, making it hard to know if you're getting a good deal. Another problem is auto-renewal subscriptions, from streaming services to meal kits. Many people forget to cancel free trials, paying for months without using the service. In fact, research shows the average person wastes $720 a year on unused subscriptions. How to fix it? Shop in incognito mode or clear your browser history to stop websites from tracking your habits. Use price-checking tools like Honey and Camel to track discounts and price drops. Review your bank statements every 3 months and cancel subscriptions you don't need. The key is to pause before spending. By staying alert and using simple tools, you can stop invisible spending and keep more money in your pocket. Number 2. The overconfidence debt trap. Many people spend money today based on what they think they'll earn tomorrow. They assume a raise, bonus, or better job is just around the corner, and spend before it even happens. This is called future income spending, and it's one of the fastest ways to fall into debt. Take Lisa and Mark, for example. They expected raises at work, so they bought a new car with a $700 monthly payment. But when Mark's company downsized, he lost his job. Suddenly, their dream car became a financial nightmare. It's human nature to feel overconfident about the future. We believe things will always improve, so we make decisions based on hope instead of facts. But life is unpredictable, jobs change, emergencies happen, and markets can crash. How to fix it? Follow the reality rule: never spend money you don't already have in your bank account. If you expect a raise, wait 3 months before upgrading your lifestyle. This gives you time to adjust and avoid impulse decisions. Use budgeting apps like Pocket Guard or Nab to test how new expenses fit into your budget before committing. Debt caused by overconfidence is easy to avoid if you plan for reality, not just possibilities. Instead of chasing the future, focus on building a safety net today and let tomorrow take care of itself. Number 3. The cost of cheap choices. Have you ever bought something cheap, only to replace it a few months later? It may seem like you're saving money, but cheap choices often cost more in the long run. This is called false savings. For example, Emma bought a $30 pair of shoes. They looked good but started falling apart in 3 months. She had to buy another pair, spending another $30. After a year, she spent $120 replacing cheap shoes. Meanwhile, her friend bought high-quality $80 shoes that lasted 2 years. The same mistake happens with appliances, tools, and furniture. Low-cost items break faster, leading to repair costs or replacements. Studies show 68% of DIY home fixes end up costing more than hiring a professional. Source: Home Advisor. We focus on the upfront price instead of the lifetime value of a product. This mindset leads to spending more money over time instead of investing in quality. How to fix it? Follow the cost per use rule. Divide the price of an item by how many times you'll use it. A $200 winter coat that lasts 5 years is cheaper than a $50 coat that needs replacing every year. Look for warranties and products you can repair instead of replace. Buy secondhand quality items from places like Facebook Marketplace or thrift stores. Investing in quality doesn't mean overspending. It means spending smarter and saving more in the long run. Number 4. FOMO-inspired investing. Have you ever felt like you're missing out when everyone is talking about the next big investment? That fear of missing out, FOMO, can lead to risky financial decisions. In 2025, social media and influencers make it even easier to fall for investment hype. Take Ryan, for example. He saw a viral post about a new cryptocurrency promising quick profits. Without research, he invested $5,000. Within months, the value dropped by 80%, and Ryan lost most of his money. People want to get rich quickly, so they follow trends without understanding the risks. This is called herd mentality, when we copy others, thinking they know more. But many trending investments, like meme stocks and NFTs, are unpredictable and often crash. To fix this, follow the 10% rule. Only invest 10% or less of your money in high-risk opportunities. Focus on long-term, proven investments like index funds, real estate, and dividend stocks. Research deeply using tools like Morningstar and Yahoo Finance before putting money into anything new. FOMO can lead to fast losses, but smart investing is about patience and planning, not panic and hype. Don't gamble with your future, build it step by step. Number 5. The hidden fees epidemic. Hidden fees are sneaky charges that quietly drain your bank account. In 2025, these fees are everywhere, from banking services to online shopping and streaming subscriptions. The worst part? Most people don't even notice them. Take Sarah, for example. She paid $15 per month for her bank's maintenance fee and $3 every time she used an out-of-network ATM. Over the year, these small charges added up to $250, money she didn't even realize she was losing. Companies rely on microcharges because they're too small to grab attention. Delivery fees, tips, and auto-renewals can seem harmless, but they add up quickly. In fact, research shows the average person spends over $1,200 a year on hidden fees. Source: NerdWallet. How to fix it? Audit your statements. Check your bank and credit card statements every month for unusual charges. Use fee tracking apps. Tools like Trim and Rocket Money can spot hidden fees and cancel unused subscriptions. Negotiate fees. Call your bank or service providers and ask for fees to be waived. Many companies will do this if you ask. Stopping hidden fees is like giving yourself a raise without earning more money. Stay sharp, check often, and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Number 6. Subscription-driven dependency. Subscriptions have become a normal part of life. Streaming services, meal kits, fitness apps, and even clothing rentals. But in 2025, subscription overload is quietly draining people's wallets. Take Emily, for example. She signed up for a meal kit service to save time, but only used it twice a month. She forgot to cancel, and after 12 months, she spent $720 on meals she didn't even eat. Subscriptions are designed to be easy to start but hard to cancel. Auto-renewals and free trials make it easy to forget what you're paying for. Studies show the average person wastes $720 a year on unused subscriptions. Source: C+R Research. How to fix it? Track your subscriptions. Use apps like Truebill or Rocket Money to find and cancel unused services. Switch to free alternatives. Use library apps for books and audiobooks or YouTube workouts instead of paid apps. Set reminders. Before signing up for a free trial, set a reminder on your phone to cancel it before it renews. Subscriptions are convenient, but without control, they lead to silent spending. Cut the extras and save hundreds each year. Saving money in 2025 isn't just about cutting costs. It's about avoiding hidden traps that drain your wallet without you noticing. The good news? You now have the tools to spot and stop these problems before they grow. Remember, financial freedom isn't about earning more. It's about keeping more of what you already have. The future is unpredictable, but your money doesn't have to be. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.